Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got a BMW 1 Series which we're going to be working on. So as many of you might know, or some of you might know, that BMWs come in two screens. They have the Pro Nav or the standard screen, which is much smaller than the Pro Nav. So this car has a standard screen, hence why the customer wants to get it changed to an Android screen, which is going to be 10.25 inch wide. And we're going to be enabling features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, screen mirroring, Bluetooth, etc, etc. So we're going to be doing that on this car today. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel we talk about things that we do on our customers' cars, such as these, things that we do on our project cars, which are a 4 Series F33 and a 7 Series E38. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment, be part of this Alpha Customs journey, and let's go inside and let me show you guys the screen. This is the screen that we're going to be working with today. As you can see, it's a smaller screen. It just comes up to here. So we're going to make the whole screen come up to here, and it's going to be much wider than the current screen, and it's going to enable so much more features. So at the moment you can see that the car doesn't have a reverse camera. So if we start up the car, put it into reverse, it only has the sensors and it shows the sensors, but we're going to be adding reverse camera onto this car today as well. As well as this, we're going to be getting the car coded so that it enables all its hidden features. So let's get straight into it. So we have managed to put all the wires in, we've put the screen in, we're going to bolt it down, and then we're going to start routing this camera wire all the way to the back, through the trims, all the way to the back, into the boot, and then we're going to replace a number plate light on the right side, and we're going to be installing this camera right here, which was supplied by the customer, and the screen too. So everything that's here was supplied by the customer, so I've tested it, it works, and happy days. We're going to put it on, and then that should be the last step of installing the screen, and then we're just going to put all the radio trims etc back on, and then get coded, code the car, call the customer, tell them that the car's done, and then happy days. One customer should be happy, hopefully. So yeah, let's get crack-a-lacking. All the way to the back, and as you can see on this car there's no number plate on the extra boot, so some cars actually have it on a boot, but since this is a hatchback it's all the way down there. So the number plate lights are here, and we're going to be installing it on this one, I believe. So let's see how we can work this. So the camera is fitted, and as you can see, you can't see any bits of the wire coming through, but it's all installed and it's all there. As you can see here, that's the camera. So that's that bit done, and we're just going to go back inside, get all this fitted back on, and then we're ready to code the car. As you can see, we just need to wire everything up, make sure everything's working, and then we're done, and then time to code. So yes, this car is half alphamized, it's not fully done yet. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to this channel, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment. Be part of this Alpha Customs journey. So let's go ahead and see the change.